What is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily renew your driver's license online in Texas. So all you have to do is head over to texas.gov, then just look for this search icon, just click on it, and in the search bar, just start typing renew license, then press enter. From the list of search results, just click on this Texas driver licenses, renewals, and replacements. So from here, you can first review eligibility requirements to access services online. The next is just scroll down to the bottom and look for help and support link. Just click on it. So in the technical support section, you can see here that we can tap the red button to speak with the Texas Gov Help Desk agent. So this is the button. Just click on this. So all you have to do is fill in the required information about yourself, such as your name, email, and phone number. Just click on now, how can we help? So from here, you can describe how the chatbot can help you. We can start by typing renew license, then press enter. So as you can see here, the bot provided us with the links. All you have to do is click on this and you will be redirected to txt.texas.gov. So from here, all you have to do is log into your account, and from there, you can access renewal for your driver's license. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!